quiere que cante en Viña. Dice que puedo ir ya. Mi amor, tú me tienes corriendo por la línea y mis dolores de cabeza los alivia. Me hace estar en La Paz como en Bolivia. Quiero viajar el mundo contigo de compañía. Ninguna mujer me comprendía. Y cierra los ojos y dime en qué lugares que estaría. Que voy a pedir una estadía. Yo quiero viajar el mundo contigo de compañía. Ninguna mujer me comprendía. Cierra los ojos.
We're in Mexico! Just, come on, focus. Just got our bags. And I will explain the whole immigration process. It was fast.
En qué lugares que estaría. Que voy a pedir una estadía. Ya le cogen cosas porque está conmigo. El que te falta el respeto se convierte en mi enemigo. Hay mucha envidia.
Okay, so that's our car. We just got dropped off, and look at our beautiful resort. Right now they make you go through like this little section where they kind of like cleanse you. This is just because of COVID. Alrighty, this is our entrance. Going to go check in.
Cualquiera se encariña, de lejitos me guiña, varias le tienen riña.
Solo porque es mi niña y cualquiera se encariña y de lejito me guiña, varias le tienen riña.
Suavecito mami dale ahí, suéltate así, yo llegué al party, fue por ti, nos vamos a switch con las luces.
Now we get on these little golf carts that are super cute, and they're gonna take us to our room. I did want to mention that the Pueblo Bonito Sunset Beach Resort is an all-inclusive resort, so that means all of our food and our alcohol was included. They also have these awesome golf carts that pretty much pick you up anywhere you are and take you anywhere you want to go. Check out this view, you guys, and then that's our ride right there. So, just got changed super fast, and we are heading to a restaurant here called Lanao, and basically it's fajita night, and we weren't really planning on eating there, but we heard fajita night and we were like, hell yeah, we're starving, let's do this. Alright guys, first look at Lanao. Oh wait, yes, first look at Lanao with me, and it is so cute. I'm loving the vibes. I feel like Brian the Diamond vibes. I'm loving the vibes. Beautiful table right here, right by the water. I'm excited. You guys. Wow. We got some fajitas looking nice. Margarita, some cheese, guacamole, salsa, like the little sides, you know the deal. But I'm so excited for this right now. Yeah. I just hope that you miss me a little when I'm gone. Cheers. Cheers. Scary. Wow, it's much better when you drink beer right after. Isn't it? What time does that place open? There's like a club here. And we're trying to tell my dad, like, hold off on the shots, and my dad ordered 3 more shots for us. And then I'm like, no, I'm okay. And the lady looks at me. And she just starts laughing. She's like, what's up, peeps? I really don't know where we left off, so hi, it's me again. Oh, and we're back with the hand sanitizer. There was hand sanitizer. It's the cheese fries for me. Honestly, the cheese fries are fire. Dad, what do you think about the cheese fries?
Fire. Amazing.
Good morning, everybody. Today is like our first full official day here, and I'm excited because it's just pure full day. Like, we're gonna pull it up, we're gonna beach it up, and I'm excited. We're starting off with breakfast at the market, and I will show you guys all about it. Where it's kind of like a food hall, so you just kind of go to each station and pick like what you want to eat, and take it to your table. So let me show you. Here at the market, they have about 9 different places where you can choose to eat. They have everything from your diner-style menu to an Italian spot with pizza and pasta. They have Mexican food. They even have a corner where there's sushi. They have an ice cream spot, a place where you can get your coffee and your donuts in the morning, and even a place where you can get your green smoothies and a salad if you just kind of need something cleaner after a long vacation. They're all kind of cornered off into their own individual spots, but if you want a little bit of each, you definitely can do that. It's all included in the all-inclusive package, so no need to worry there. Yeah. Okay, so I just ordered another breakfast. Scrambled eggs with whatever this is. This is like freaking amazing. I don't know what this is, but it's so good. It's like chips with some salsa on it. I don't know. It is crazy though. Now we're going to the sky pool.
Please don't get it confused. All that I want to do is hold on vibes, put me drink on ice, yeah. Breathe more life, cause we are breathe more life, yeah. You know what it is, you know what I mean. You know what it is when you're with me.
You guys, oh my god.
On ice, yeah. Breathe more life.
What's up, guys? I just realized I haven't vlogged. So, anyway. Hey! I ordered a mango smoothie. Mango margarita smoothie, and it's fire. And I would just like to say this is like my new favorite thing. This tahini, that little orange rim, like that is like my favorite thing. It's like my new thing. Extra tahini when possible. Alright, this is now a food vlog. Some shrimp ceviche, y'all. Nachos, anybody?
On ice, yeah. Breathe more life, cause we are breathe more life, yeah. You know what it is, you know what I mean. You know what it is when you're with me.
Alright, so someone just told us about a drinking puddle lunchbox, and it's like beer, orange juice, and amaretto. So tell us what it tastes like. How amazing is this? You make your tacos and then you just like pick your meat. Good morning, everyone. So, left eating yesterday, sorry about that, but today we are doing the 2-day snorkel excursion with Cabo Adventures. So we're here at the market, got something to eat really quick, and now we're just waiting for the shuttle to come pick us up. And then the shuttle is going to take us to the marina, and then from there, that's when we get on the boat and snorkel and basically just enjoy a nice boat ride. Alright guys, so we just checked into Cabo Adventures. It's pretty cute because they have their own building here, but right behind me is the marina where we're going to catch our boat, and then we'll be going to the Arch and also Lovers Beach and Divorce Beach.
Tiene a los hombres puestos locos, a las mujeres indecisas, y no la culpa es que cualquiera va a caer con su sonrisa.
Solo con un beso ella me hipnotizó. No puedo olvidarme de lo que pasó.
Esa es mi niña, cualquiera se encariña, de lejito me guiña, varias le tienen riña.
Solo porque es mi niña, cualquiera se encariña, de lejitos me guiña, varias le tienen riña.
Quiere que cante en viña, dice que puedo ir ya. Mi amor, tú me tienes corriendo por la línea.
the boat because I spent most of the time sick. I literally was that girl in the corner of the boat throwing up. But anyways, we got off the boat and I got a new hat to make me feel better. Alright, here we go with the food again. Mango sorbet and banana gelato. Let's see. Was that good?
Delicious.
Oh my god. That's good. Well guys, back at it again with the car ride. And we're on the way to dinner. And we're gonna eat La Frida, the restaurant that's here in our hotel. And we will be there now. So cute. Okay, guys, this mole has 32 ingredients in it, and it's like finger food taco. Like, look at my 2 fingers. Look how tiny it is. How beautiful is this? Alright, blow it out. Good morning, everyone. It's a spa day, and the car is here to pick us up, so we gotta go. We'll be talking after this. Okay, so here we have our steam room, and in this room right here, kind of just a relaxation room. Here we have a hot tub, a little jacuzzi area. Here's a cold bath, and then here just 2 showers. So
Quedaría mi vida entera por estar contigo de nuevo, porque tú eres la mujer que bota fuego. Eres la mujer que bota fuego cuando en mi cama nos sacudemos. Eres la mujer que se enloquece cuando el ombligo le beso. Eres la mujer que bota fuego cuando en mi cama se suelta el pelo. Eres la mujer que tiene.
The hottest one right here. This one right here is the hottest one. I'm just gonna do a drop of this. Oh,
oh, or 7.
finger slip. Huh?
We ventured out.
We'll cool it down with a little bit of the guacamole one.
To try fajitas, tacos, which was recommended.
We'll add a little bit of lime.
Tell us.
Good?
Yum.
Go in with my cheesy crust taco.
Alright.
Alright, more cheese crust. Try it.
I'm gonna have one.
Good morning. I know I said good morning already, but daily visit to the market for breakfast. We got some toast because there's toast, and now we're leaving. Okay, so the bus is here to pick us up. We chose GeForce Adventures for our UTV riding excursion. One, because we were able to not only UTV ride through the desert, but we were also able to go on the beach, which was a phenomenal experience. I highly suggest it. Here's a snapshot of what the prices look like, and our start time was 9 a.m. and it ended at 12, which was perfect timing. They even added in a little surprise at the end, which you'll see when you keep on watching. I feel like I always look stupid with these helmets on. It makes my head look so big.
Are fully automatic. As soon as you start it on, you got the full control of them. Okay, so it's all over that place where we're gonna do the activity.
Break time. This thing's pretty gnarly, I'm not gonna lie. There were like 2 times where I felt like, oh shit, I'm about to go over.
For real?
Mm-hmm. Check out the view, guys. Wow. I'm so happy we're at the beach.
5 years in the barrel, Everybody say, arriba. Arriba. Abajo. Abajo. Al centro. Al centro. Salud, salud. Mexican yellow. ¡Viva México!
En Viña, dice que puedo ir ya. Mi amor, tú me tienes corriendo por la línea. Y mis dolores de cabeza los alivia. Me hace estar en La Paz como en Bolivia. Quiero viajar el mundo contigo de compañía. Ninguna mujer me comprendía y cierra los ojos.
That was dangerous.
Y dime en qué lugares que estaría. Que voy a pedir una estadía. Yo quiero viajar el mundo contigo de compañía. Ninguna mujer me comprendía. Cierra los ojos y dime en qué lugares que estaría. Que voy a pedir una estadía. Ya le cogen cosas porque está conmigo. El que te falta el respeto se convierte en mi enemigo.
COVID test is done. Now back to the sky pool for the pool vibes. What's up, guys? It's our last day in Cabo and I have sleepy eyes. I'm so tan. My forehead is so tight, but all good. You know, that's how you know you had a good vacation. I am just waiting because we're gonna go eat some breakfast and then we are going to go to the other resorts Pueblo Bonito has, so it's gonna be the Blanco and the Rosé. We're going there just so my mom could shop. There's like a ton of vendors on the beach that I've showed you guys before. She's gonna go there just to buy a few more things that she wants, and then we're gonna head back here and probably go in the pool. Then we've got a dinner that we're gonna go to, and then pretty much just hang out here at the resort for the rest of the night, maybe catch the sunset. But I have a lot of things that I want to do today. I want to make a few reels and I want to film a few videos. We're gonna go have breakfast at Lanao, which is like a breakfast buffet type of thing, and we haven't had breakfast there yet. We've had dinner there twice, so we're gonna go eat breakfast there now and see what that's about. So we'll show you guys what we are going to eat right now. Here we go. My mom's already negotiating tables. We love this though. We always try and find the best table. Alright, I got the worst combination ever, but I got French toast with a side of chilaquiles. And then watermelon, of course, with pineapple at the bottom, and I put some granola on it just for some crunch. Let's see if this is... No, you guys can see outside, but that's the ocean right here. Alright, so we are at Pueblo Bonito Rosé because it's all pink, as you can see, and we are here to wheel and deal. Now, if you've ever been around me, you know I love to negotiate. So, we're negotiating today. We are going to buy some gifts, some souvenirs for our family and friends, and we are here to negotiate. One, because it's fun, and two, because we can. So let's see what good prices. Oh, look at that! I hate birds, but these are so cute! Alright, let's keep it moving. Time to do some negotiations. Let's see. Alright, I'll see if I can get any of that on video. It'll probably be from far, if anything, but let's see. Oh, no, está bien. Success! Alright, I don't know if I shot any videos or not, but successful! I got this bag. 15 bucks. Literally $15. It's so cute. I feel like it's a little too like basic for me. Basic D, you know what I mean? But it's 15 bucks, like I had to get it. I got a salsa bowl, hand-carved salsa bowl, like look how cute this is. Hand-carved salsa bowl with like painted flowers, hand-painted flowers, and glitter metallic paint. 10 bucks. It was $30, but I literally only had $10 on me. So, I mean, at that point you do what you gotta do and you just keep saying you want $10 on you. Got the salsa bowl, got some jewelry, and got the cutest shot glasses for my friends. Like, the cutest. So now I'm all sweaty and we definitely should have brought our bathing suits, but back to the pool we go. Got this sauce. This sauce is it. This is the one. Super spicy, but it tastes like buffalo sauce and like extra hot sauce.
No estoy contigo, es lo más bello. ¿Cómo?
Lo mismo que hace con ellos y ella no es tuya, te vendió sueño. Wow. Dice que no tiene dueño y cuando está contigo son los más bellos. Wow. Lo mismo que hace.
There's Spanish subtitles on like every show and movie here, and it reminds me of that scene from Home Alone where they're like stuck in Miami and all the shows have the subtitles in Spanish. Anyways, I am getting ready for dinner. So pretty.
Maybe down there.
What's been feeling here? Oh god, I don't even know.
Looks like it.
Alright, any last words?
It was a good trip.
Good.
Here's to a 9 a.m. tequila shot to close it out for Cabo.
Alright, super lightning fast, quick room tour. Here we have the tap key card to get in. Here you keep your key card in here if you want your AC to stay on throughout the entire day. If you don't, then you just take it out while you're leaving. Here we have a little kitchenette, microwave, stovetop, sink. You've got like a ton of different things here in case you're planning on cooking here with your family. You have all the utensils. I know that they have strainers, containers, stuff like that. Toaster oven, obviously coffee machine, full freezer and refrigerator. A bunch of more cabinets that have like plates and stuff like that in it. Then in here we have our bathroom, full mirror. Then here we have our sink. Then they also have a makeup mirror, which was awesome to use throughout the trip. Shower with the best water pressure that you can ever imagine. It came out like a waterfall. It was amazing. There, full length mirror here. Hello. And then here you have a separate room for the toilet. And then this is where they kind of keep your towels and stuff like that. These are the lights. Then in here is our entrance to our actual room. It's a little bit messy because we slept in it this morning. But we have our 2 queen beds here. And then on to the right, we have a whole armoire, I guess you can call it. And that's where we keep all of our clothes that hang here. And also all the drawers that are available for space. And then here we have another full-length kind of closet that you can hang up all your clothes. And then you can kind of put your shoes down there, which is what I did. As we move to the left, we have like kind of like a lounge area. So a nice like love seat with a little coffee table, a lamp. And then here is the most beautiful view ever. So let me open this sliding glass door. Be nice if I unlock it. Here we have like our patio area. That's where we kind of like hung up our bathing suits. And then here we would just come every single morning and just kind of hang out, wake up a little bit, and then we would get our day started. Here's our view. And again, we're in building 31 and our room is 3126, in case you guys want that for reference. But honestly, every single room here, you're gonna get some sort of ocean view, which is amazing. But this is our view here. All right, guys, well, that's the trip. We had a blast. Would you guys come here again?
Absolutely.
Would you, or would you come to the Cabo again?
Yes.
Would you stay here again?
Yes.
Yeah, so would I. Honestly, the resort was amazing. You wanna?
It sure was.
The resort was amazing, Cabo was amazing, the weather was amazing. The people were, I think the people made the trip. The people honestly who work here that we've encountered just made the trip, and everyone's here on vacation, so it's so fun to get to hear where everyone's from and stuff like that. But hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you have any questions or concerns about Cabo, just hit me up in the comments down below. Follow me on Instagram. I'm going to be posting a ton of pictures, a ton of stories on there for my trip. So that being said, I'll see you guys in the next one.
Quiero viajar el mundo contigo de